What is your outlook for Tesla stock this January? The leading EV company's stock appears to remain in a slump despite record numbers for Q4 2022. Still, many remain optimistic about the stock's future, looking forward to more releases. You would not want to miss this. Electric car maker Tesla said it delivered a record 1.3 million vehicles in 2022, 40% more than in 2021. However, the firm fell short of Wall Street sales forecast for the final months of the year. In fact, the company's shares sank by more than 12% after the update. In a statement to investors, Tesla said it had to deal with significant COVID and supply chain-related challenges throughout the year. It can be noted that Tesla shares tumbled 65% last year, its worst year since going public in 2010, as investors worried about disruptions to production, concerns over a slowdown in demand, and Musk's focus on newly acquired Twitter. As many would have known, Tesla CEO Elon Musk bought the social media platform at the end of October for $44 billion, 36.4 billion euros, and has spent much of his time since then trying to turn the business around, even as Tesla faces rising challenges. For a while now, Tesla investors have been wondering whether Musk will be able to focus on the company amidst the Twitter debacle. Musk's role in the EV company is pivotal, as he is considered to be Tesla's architect. Musk's involvement is enough to reassure those who have invested in the company because they believe in his vision and his promises to revolutionize the automotive industry. Musk promised that soon Tesla cars will be able to drive themselves. The latest version of Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, the company's advanced driver assistance system, allows the car to perform many maneuvers on its own. Although we are still far from autonomous driving, even if Musk promises a fleet of autonomous Tesla vehicles in 2024. Musk also takes pride in the Tesla Cybertruck, which is expected to arrive in mid-2023. With this, Musk will have challenged all the facets of the pickup truck. This futuristic vehicle is one of the most anticipated cars of the last decades. I think if you're interested in developing some of the most advanced technology in the world that's going to really affect the world in a positive way, Tesla is the place to be, Musk said during Tesla's second AI Day in late September. To achieve this, however, Musk must be present at the helm of Tesla, overseeing everything. Without him in the lead, many investors doubt that Tesla can do it. Further, Tesla, like other car makers, is grappling with the likelihood of slowing demand for vehicles as customers deal with rising borrowing costs and concerns about an economic slowdown. Tesla also faces competition from traditional motor manufacturing giants such as Ford and General Motors, as well as newer entrants to the market like Rivian and Lucid in the US and China's BYD and NIO. Highlighting the logistics issues faced by the world's most valuable car maker, deliveries in the fourth quarter of the year were also about 34,000 fewer than Tesla produced. The shortfall is unusual for Tesla, as it had previously managed to deliver about as many vehicles as it produced. Musk previously said that he was working to resolve the issue and pushed back on the idea that demand was hurting. The company is scheduled to announce financial results for the fourth quarter of 2022 and the year as a whole on January 25th. Tesla also announced plans to host its Investor Day on March 1st and live stream the event from its Gigafactory in Texas. Our investors will be able to see our most advanced production line, as well as discuss long-term expansion plans, Generation 3 platform, capital allocation, and other subjects with our leadership team, the company said. Amidst uncertainties surrounding Tesla and the stock failing to rebound, some still put their trust in Tesla. In fact, Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas wrote a bullish note on Tesla after the stock's amazing plunge over the past month. Although he lowered his price target from $330 to $250 due to the challenging macroeconomic and high-rate environment, Jonas said he believed Tesla could extend its lead over both electric vehicle startups and legacy players, making the EV transition due to its first-mover status and ability to self-fund its operations. Within this environment, we believe players that are self-funded with demonstrated scale and cost leadership throughout the value chain can be relative winners. Jonas argues that strong players will get stronger in a difficult environment. According to data from CNN Business, the 37 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Tesla Inc. have a median target of $250 with a high estimate of $436 and a low estimate of $85. The median estimate represents a plus 121.2% increase from the last price of $113.02. The current consensus among 45 polled investment analysts is to buy stock in Tesla Inc. This rating has held steady since January, when it was unchanged from a buy rating. According to Morningstar analyst Seth Goldstein, Tesla being a major auto producer, Tesla is likely to feel more of an impact from an economic slowdown. Tesla, as it has grown, is now entering a phase of still solid but slower growth, he added. Several Wall Street analysts said they expect more pressure on the stock in the coming months from increasing competition and weaker global demand. Global automakers have in the past few months battled a demand downturn in China, the world's top auto market where the spread of COVID-19 has hit economic growth and consumer spending. Tesla is offering hefty discounts there and a subsidy for insurance costs. You have so many things working against the stock. One obviously is Musk's involvement in Twitter, says Dennis Dick, market structure analyst and trader at Triple D Trading. Tesla's market value has declined about $370 billion since Chief Executive Elon Musk closed the deal to buy social media firm Twitter. Still at a value of about $341 billion, Tesla remains to be the world's most valuable automaker, even though its production is a fraction of rivals such as Toyota Motor Corp. Tesla delivered 405,278 vehicles in the fourth quarter, short of analyst estimates of 431,117. For all of 2022, its deliveries rose by 40%, missing Musk's 50% annual target. The result came at the cost of higher incentives, suggesting lower pricing and margin, brokerage JP Morgan said in a note, lowering its price target by $25 to $125. The median price target of 41 analysts on the stock was $250, more than double the current price according to Refinitiv data. The lowest price is $85 from Roth Capital Partners. The shortfall highlighted the logistics hurdles facing the company, which is known for its end-of-quarter delivery rush. The gap between production and deliveries has widened to 34,000 vehicles as more cars got stuck in transit. The automaker plans to run a reduced production schedule in January at its Shanghai plant, extending the lowered output it began in December into 2023, Reuters reported. On the other hand, California-based electric vehicle maker Rivian Automotive Inc. narrowly missed its 25,000-unit production target for 2022. Despite delivery and production number misses, Tesla has significantly ramped up production in all of its factories, including the new plant in Berlin and the Gigafactory in Texas. Because of this, the company's revenue has significantly risen as well. In August, Musk said Tesla could build 10 or 12 new Gigafactories to reach his goal of making 20 million cars a year by 2030. The billionaire businessman hinted at plans to expand Tesla's network of Gigafactories as the company aims to meet his ambition to build as many as 20 million electric cars a year. He said that Tesla might be able to announce the location of a new factory later this year. Addressing stockholders at the firm's annual meeting, billed as Cyber Roundup 2022, Musk said that Tesla was on track to achieve a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by the end of this year. Ultimately, we will end up building, probably at least 10 or 12 gigafactories, Musk said at the meeting. They will really be gigafactories, aiming for output of between 1.5 to 2 million units per factory, Musk said. According to Musk, manufacturing will be Tesla's long-term sustainable advantage over its rivals in the race to dominate the still nascent electric vehicle market. Overall, Tesla remains to have a strong growth profile, with revenue and earnings projected to soar by double-digit percentages this year. That said, experts believe that Tesla is a solid long-term investment option at current price levels based on its market leadership, progressively broadening global operations, and new product developments that promise to take it to dizzy heights in the coming years. Investors should look into the metrics that tell the long-term story of Tesla's growth path. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more explosive Tesla stock content in January.